What is poppin' gamers? So Bracket Man recently held his 5th game jam. I think it was his 5th, but I can't count past 2, so I don't know. This jam was going to be interesting because usually the jams I participate in are 3 or 2 days, but this one was a week, which is 5 more days of existential suffering. The jam kicked off on the 1st of August and the theme was Rewind. Personally, I didn't really like the theme because it wasn't as open as other jams I had participated in, but I managed to come up with a fair few abstract ideas. One idea that I really liked was an idea of you rewinding to separate periods of time on a timeline. So I made a quick Unity project in 2D because the last time I made a 3D jam project, it didn't go so well. I started prototyping a level select screen. Now you ask, why the hell did you start with the level select screen? Yes. Then I added some bloom and made a platform, and then made some other stuff like player movement and camera following, which is also pretty cool, and I made the level select UI and used tweening to scale it up and down. I then created a scriptable object for each memory so it's easier to make a new memory. Then I brainstormed ideas for memories and added them one by one. And then I realized that I haven't even made my first level. So the next day I started off by making a triangle and then making another triangle, and then I made another triangle and made it lighter. Boom, level design, am I right? We have pyramids and some dialogue and this random pun. Then I made the second level, which was supposed to be this London, Britain, Victorian, England thingy, but it looked nothing like a Victorian, London, Britain thingy, which was just slightly maybe a problem, possibly. But then I added a clock tower and now, we have an exact replica of Victorian England. Then I made a level called The Place with the Guns. Oh golly gee, I sure do wonder where that could be. Anyways, this was going to be America in the Wild West era. So I made a horse and made the horse walk because it'd be pretty sad if the horse just stayed there. And then boom, bam, some enemies later, that's what I called gameplay. The next level that I needed to make was a ninja level. This level was going to be all about the stealth. I made enemies have visible vision cones and had a simple system where the nearest enemy would come in the dead enemy's place when one enemy died. I was running pretty short on time here, so I decided to make a final level with a cover image that is emptiness. This level would be the final level, and meta makes everything better, so why not just sprinkle in some meta, and boom, we have a game. Just edit the meta video, edit a trailer, make some art and some motion graphics, and boom, done. The results came in and I honestly didn't do the worst. At least not as bad as I was expecting to. Anyways, I think I'm supposed to put something motivating at the end, so do game jams, they're cool and fun and stuff, yeah, cool. Anyways, I'm probably going to keep a consistent video schedule from now on because I haven't been doing much of that recently. So yeah, expect a video, perhaps, maybe, possibly, conceivably, in a few weeks. Just kidding, I'm gonna forget about this channel for another month.